Hello, my name is Guto.
Come in there, sit down.
How old are you, mate?
9.
What position would you like to play?
Left wing.
Left wing, like a Gareth Bale.
You're as quick as him.
You are. You're quicker than
Yeah,
Bale.
quicker.
Quicker, yeah.
We dreamed of being quicker than Bale. Have you brought your boots?
Astros.
Are you coming out with the goalies?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Don't show us your skills too often because you'll show us up, okay? Do some passing with the goalie. Right, come on then, let's do some passing. Oh, nice! Oh, he's not good. Cheers, lad.
Bye.
We'll see you later, yeah?
That was amazing. I don't think I would do something like that ever again.
Morning, mate, you alright?
Yeah,
Chris.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, mate, you okay?
yeah,
You okay?
yes.
How you doing?
Good, thank you.
Good.
Yeah,
Alright, sunshine.
yeah. Good luck for the qualifiers.
Thank you.
Have you enjoyed your morning?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Or under 21
Tomorrow, ma.
tymor yma. Who's the person in your team which plays Minecraft?
Plays Minecraft. I know a few boys play FIFA. Play FIFA?
Yes.
Yeah? You
Yeah.
good?
Yeah.
You have to go and challenge some of the boys, and I know there's some good players.
What was your most exciting match you were looking forward to?
All of them, really. I'm looking forward to Monday getting going, and obviously we want to win the game, so if we can score lots of goals, that'll be good. So I scored one against Belgium. Did you watch that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you were at the game, weren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know when your matches are coming,
Yeah.
do you go to bed at 8 or like very early?
Yeah, we go to bed very early because we need to be right for the game the next day. It's important to get your recovery in and ready for the game. What time do you go to bed when you've got a game?
About 8.
About 8. Yeah, we're about 8 o'clock as well. That's the right time to go to bed. Yeah.
Good luck in the qualifiers.
Thank you very much, mate. I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah.
High five. Good interview.